All right, I have here three questions to help you kind of test your understanding of using a star wheel. And I'm just going to actually use the digital star wheel to show you how I would answer each of these. So here's my digital star wheel. And I build it, remember, by taking this white circle and kind of lining it up like this so that the times and dates line up. And then I can grab this red dial and I can turn it to any date to get a view of what the sky looks like. So let's look at these questions. The first one was, on what date will the bright star Vega be straight overhead at 10 p.m.? So I want to find the star Vega. Let's see here. Where's Vega? Vega is like I think the coolest name for a star. There it is, Vega. Now, on a star wheel, straight overhead is actually being right in the middle of the oval. All right, and that's because the line around the edge of the oval represents the horizon. See, it says horizon right there, all the way around. So this is the northern horizon right here. This is the eastern horizon, western horizon, and southern horizon. So straight overhead would be right about here. Now, this question is asking, on what date will the bright star Vega be straight overhead at 10 p.m.? So if I look for 10 p.m., oh, don't move that. Don't do that. All right. I look for 10 p.m. It's right there. This is lined up pretty good. Okay. 10 p.m. is right there. On what date? It looks like July 30-ish. Okay. Or August 1 maybe. And so you can see that's what I put here, July 30. Okay. You maybe would say August 1, or maybe even it would be like you put it here. So you're like, well, it's July 25. Okay. It would be somewhere in that range. Okay. Let's look at the next question. The constellation Scorpius will be due south at 9 p.m. in what month? So let's find Scorpius. Oh, there's Scorpius right there. Scorpius actually kind of looks like a scorpion. It's kind of cool. It's got that tail. All right, and I'm asking the question, it will be due south. So I'm going to put it due south right there. Scorpius is in the south at 9 p.m. So I'm going to find 9 p.m. right here. And what month is that? It looks like it's July. Right there, July. So it's a summer constellation. All right, and then the last question says, on October 1, what time will the constellation Leo rise in the east? Now, this is kind of special for me because I have a son named Leo, and October 1 is his birthday. But October 1, what time will the constellation Leo rise in the east? So what I want to do is find the constellation Leo, and it's rising in the east. So where's Leo? There it is. Leo's right there. So I want it rising in the east. So now it's just rising. Okay, it's right at the horizon in the east. And the question says, what time will the constellation rise in the east on October 1? So I'm going to find October 1. There's October 1. Bingo. And I can see that it's going to be somewhere around 4 a.m. But, it depends what you mean by rise. Like right there, it's still rising. So that October 1 would be like, 3 a.m. And that's why I say somewhere between 2 a.m. and 4 a.m. So somewhere in this window, you're going to see Leo rising. Remember, I'm looking at October 1, and it's going to be somewhere between here and here. All right, so that's how I can answer those questions and kind of check my understanding.